Hi everyone, my name is Jeff Johnson and this is my intro video for AEP 873 Fall 2019. Who am I? I grew up in Wichita, Kansas. I was an all-star soccer player recruited to a California university. I actually played in the minors for a little bit. I was a film major in college. I worked in the film industry for a while. My wife is a high school French teacher and was born and raised in France. We have one boy who's 4 and one girl who is 6. What do? I am a video production teacher. I actually have a career technical education and arts media entertainment credential. I teach video production 1, 2, and 3, as well as screenwriting as literature. Myself, I've actually written 4 screenplays. Where do I teach? At South Hills High School in West Covina, California. Try not to Google us. We've had some bad things happen in the past, but it's still a pretty good school nonetheless. My goals for this class is to continue my good start in my master's program and to incorporate Google even more than I already do and become certified. I'm actually really excited about that. The thing is that I actually was one of the early adopters of putting Google, as part of my classes, and it basically saved my classes. When we had videos, being lost and, falling apart in the external drives and whatever else, and having the students to turn in on all their videos onto one drive was really complicated. And the fact that I was able to adopt it early meant that it was much easier for my students to turn in things, to find information. It has saved my class. And so I'm very much looking forward more of how to incorporate it. And even now, I actually started my own Google site because of how good my professor was, how good their Google site was for my school law class. I was just amazed by how well they did it, how organized it was, and how easy it was. And so for that reason, I'm like, I want to bring the same stuff to my students. So I actually have started my own Google site for this year. It's not done 100%, but it's on its way, and I'm hoping that this class will help me to improve it even more. So I'm actually really excited, and I hope the rest of you guys are as well. Look forward to hearing from you, and take care.